Does a messy office really make your team less productive? The answer is yes, more than you think. Welcome to the FastKlean channel, where we help you keep your space clean, professional, and productive. Today, we're exploring how something as simple as cleaning can transform not just your office, but your entire company culture. Studies show that a clean office boosts employee well-being by over 30%. Cluttered desks and dusty surfaces, on the other hand, lead to distraction, low morale, and more sick days. Clean spaces mean clear minds, and in today's fast-paced workplaces, that matters more than ever. Before we go on like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with someone who needs a cleaner office right now. It's not just about germs. Visual clutter and bad smells create stress and slow down productivity. A clean, fresh environment tells your staff, we care. Daily light cleaning paired with professional deep cleans is the secret. Desks, bins, door handles, keyboards all need regular care. And don't forget the break rooms and meeting areas. But building a cleaner office isn't just the cleaner's job. Encourage shared responsibility. 5-minute desk resets, rotating teams for fridge duty, and gentle reminders, not policing. When your office is clean, people feel better, think clearer, and work smarter. It's one of the simplest ways to boost performance and morale. Like, share, and subscribe to FastKlean for more tips on creating a healthier, happier workspace. A cleaner office isn't a luxury, it's a strategy. See you next time.